Let me guess. You train arms, you feel the pump, but the moment you put on a t-shirt, poof, your arms disappear. Meanwhile, some guy who barely trains looks jacked in a hoodie. Annoying, right? The truth is, your arms don't look small because they are small. They look small because you're training them the wrong way for clothes. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why arms look big in real life but small in clothes, the exact muscles that create the sleeve stretching look, and how to fix it with body weight and simple movements. No gym, no genetics excuse. By the end, you'll know exactly what to train, how to train it, and how to make your arms look bigger even when relaxed. Step-by-step content. Step 1. You're chasing the pump, not the shape. Most guys train arms like this. Curls, curls, more curls. Big pump, veins popping, feeling unstoppable. But here's the problem. Pumps don't change how your arms sit in clothes. Clothes don't care about peak contraction. They care about resting thickness. That arms-filling sleeves look comes from muscles that stay engaged even when relaxed. And spoiler, it's not just biceps. Step 2. The real sleeve fillers. Most guys ignore these. If your arms look small in clothes, you're probably neglecting 3 key areas. 1. Triceps, especially the long head. Your triceps make up about 2/3 of your arm size, not biceps. That long head of the triceps runs down the back of your arm, and it's what presses against fabric when your arms hang naturally. No triceps equals flat arms in shirts. 2. Brachialis, the hidden thickness muscle. This muscle sits under your biceps and pushes them outward. You don't see it much, but clothes do. Train it and your arms look thicker from every angle. 3. Shoulders. Yes, shoulders. Your arms don't exist alone. If your shoulders are narrow or weak, your arms have nothing to frame against. Wide shoulders equals instant illusion of bigger arms. Step 3. Why bodyweight guys often look bigger in clothes. Ever notice how calisthenics athletes look massive in simple t-shirts? That's because bodyweight training emphasizes lockouts, tension in stretched positions, long-range control. These build dense muscle, not just inflated muscle. Moves like close grip push-ups, dips, pike push-ups. They don't just make you strong, they make your arms exist at rest. Step 4. Train arms like clothes are watching. Here's the mindset shift. Stop asking, "Do I feel this?" Start asking, "Will this make my arm thicker when relaxed?" That means slower reps, full extension, emphasis on lockout tension. The muscle grows where it's stressed the longest, not where it burns the most. Common mistakes. Why most guys stay small in shirts. 1. Only training biceps. You're building a peak no one sees under cotton fabric. 2. Ignoring straight arm strength. If your arms are weak when straight, they'll look weak when hanging. 3. Training arms after you're exhausted. Arms need focused intensity, not leftovers. 4. Chasing daily pumps. Swollen doesn't mean bigger. Consistent tension does. 5. Bad posture. Rounded shoulders collapse your frame. Even big arms look smaller on a slouched body. 7-day action plan. Start today. Days 1 through 7. Sleeve filler protocol. Every other day, 3 to 4 days this week. Close grip push-ups, 4 sets. Slow descent, hard lockout. Bench or bar depths, 3 sets. Lean slightly forward, full extension. Neutral grip rows or towel rows, 4 sets. Squeeze elbows, control the negative. Pike push-ups, 3 sets. Build shoulder width. Isometric arm lock hold, 30 to 45 seconds. Straight arms, flex triceps lightly, hold tension. Daily takes 3 minutes. Stand tall, pull shoulders slightly back and down. Let arms hang relaxed. This retrains your posture so your arms naturally press against your sleeves. Bonus rule for 7 days. Wear a slightly snug t-shirt, not tight, structured. you'll notice progress faster, which boosts motivation. If this made you look at your arms differently, like the video. It tells the algorithm this helped you. Comment sleeves if you're starting the 7-day plan today. And if you want to know why some guys look jacked even without flexing, watch the next video, because that secret has nothing to do with genetics and everything to do with how you train.